Isilo Swakona. Let us talk business with AR Business Consulting. It's your boy Young Flow Master Vexi Butim Nyonyo Leshama Inya Yenyobo. And then today we're back at the Bushbuckridge Street Market. Go online. It's about 2:45 and already banaba online. Go online. Yata busy so if bangena say va marinate ne ito ku kahle kahle ni ini lexi va tisaka la no jikelele. Isilo Swakona, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Flowmaster Vex. Let's talk business with AR Business Consulting. Nkome time alaniwa vale Nyamankulu guest lodge and come meet introduce time me jelati customer ko ngova mani e business ra indero.
Yeah, no, mina ops wakandlovu. I'm the director of Nyamankulu Guest Lodge lenga based Amambombo. Lay offeraga accommodation ya le ka xiyimo xa le henhla. We are a 4-star great tourism graded guest lodge. Hi teka street market ku ta ita supporta a development ya Bushbuckridge. Hi va endlele na the VIP setup here. Hi tlhela hi va endlela na setup ya ku va kota ku tshama kahle va dya va tlhela va phuza. That's what we are here for.
Kahle ngwe mi dila hi mahinya na minyonyo drinks ta kona na swa kahle swa luxury vona VIP settings laniwa ne hi kahle ngopfu nga ku ngo tshama ti artist celebrity nga ku tshama ti celebrity ka ndhawu so.
Yeah, so hi teka vanhu lava believe ku vutomi bya vona byi le ku tlakukeni ku va nga yi kule va enjoy vutomi a va enjoy kwala. So na sweswi va nga ta teka street market ku na lava feelaka ku va la ku tshamela ka the white couches. That's why va nyika that privilege to go and experience it. So in other words, I believe let's give people experience. In terms of cocktail, in terms of cognacs, in terms of expensive whiskeys and all those stuff. We are setting those things. The food is good. The wings, you go to the chips, you go to the ribs, you go to special type of food. Our chef is good.
So time since mtava misungne business leri wane ini the biggest challenge leri maybe mhlangana kana ro ko kwala Bushbuckridge challenge lekulu and maybe me ihlulisa ko yini kumbe ma hlangana nayo sweswi.
No, I would say I thank you to say it's a challenge. My belief is even vakahina a hi Johnson supportana. Let's Johnson ku mali ya hina before yi ya ka switolo swa valungu a yi ramki yi jika ka switolo ka mavoko ya ku tala before it kuma ya le ku fana la ka street market. The rule is simple, unga humi u ya xava swakudya handle ku ve swakudya swa xavisiwa la no unga humi u ya xava swakunwa a handle ku ve swakunwa swa xavisiwa la. So if hina vanhu vantima hi nga move from the stereotype xa ku hi tsandzeka ku supportana, I think it can make things better. So ntula ku I challenge ya hina vanhu vantima hinkwenu loko yo huma ka yo
ku support kahle a yi fikeleli kahle because ya ri na leswi swa ku a endla yini kumbe I endla yini instead ya ku no a hi n'wi supporteni ka leswi swi endlaka ku na yena a ta tlhela a vuya a supporta van'wanyani loko va karhi va ta hi le hansi. Next time maybe ku nga endleka supporta n'wana wa yena kumbe ya nga brother kumbe ya nga sister ka a project leyi a yi sungulaka. That's where we come from. Okay Tama se an kome ku vutisa xa makumu ne ku I yini lexi nga mi inspire ku mi pfula Nyamankulu Guest Lodge time.
I was born and raised by a community of Bushbuckridge. And I happen to go and work outside Bushbuckridge. But it doesn't mean that if I make money outside Bushbuckridge, I shouldn't come and plow back akaya. So kuna vanhu va ku tala lava humelelaka va endlaka swilo swa kahle hala Joni and so forth. But sometimes you find that they fail to say, let me just go home and make a difference. So my inspiration is I'm who I am because of this place. And I must make it better because somebody made me better somewhere.
So time mingava mi ri na yini for the potential customers marito ya ti customer ta ku ti fanike maybe tita ka Nyamankulu Guest Lodge.
Hina lexi xi vulavulaka hi ri unga twi hi vanhu. Come and experience us so you will tell us the story.
Yeah.
Because van'wani va ta ku byela ku Nyamakulu ya durha, this and this. But the reality is good life and good experience doesn't come cheap.
Doesn't come cheap.
But we are not saying we are expensive.
Hey, man.
All we are saying is value for money. We are giving you good experience.
Isilo sakona. Ana kesa time.
Kezile
Menko.
Danko.
Danko.
Dab dab.
Silo.